You should put my phone in front of me so that I can read. Can you? I'm not gonna miss their conversation. They're so much fun. They're talking about things that I couldn't catch up. Okay, condensed glue gel, everyone. I'm so sorry if I don't show you earlier because this is the bestie of Crystal Bestie. So it's really thick density. You can see me open it and it is really upside down, and a little go a long way. So if you're first time tuning in and first time you're using condensed glue gel, don't hesitate to blend it nicely because it's really thick density, which is perfect for crystal placement. And I'm going to place the no wipe top coat on the top of unclear condensed glue gels. This technique will help grabs crystals base. Actually, the base, and when you place them and you give a little bit press on, it will get the condensed glue gels, and no wet top coat will grab the base of the crystal and keep it stay in a nice place, floating on the top.
Oops, then I'm gonna show you some picture to see that.
All right, so I did the top coat on, and I am going to using a super cute that, oh, where is that at? Oh, right here. Chandelier, the newest one. I like the chandelier before. The one is like only have, I think you have 4 pieces. You have 2 pieces of the gold, you have 2 pieces of silver, and you have other little pieces. But this is like really awesome. I even like it much better because they're smaller, which is that I want. And I am using a super cute newest perfect drop, but it's smaller size. So we have 3 different sizes now. Teardrop. Okay. So this is like really nice and it curves. But if you have like a flatter apex, but mine's longer because, or is higher because it's longer. So I'm gonna place right in the middle of the nails. You can see that. Get a little bit further right there. You can see that it's go lay right on along with my nails. It might run because I turn my fingers, but I'm gonna do it right here, right in the middle, because I want to create this look, right? And going to use my cute little, it's super cute. And my Forever beads in frame. I need a bigger frame. Right there. I think I might get the right one. Doesn't matter. It's not the right one, then it's oh well. It's okay. But I think it's the right one. Super cute. Oh, maybe this one is the right one. The smaller? I don't know. Did you get the... Oh. Okay. All of a sudden I said, wait a minute, so what do I do? You can put up both of them in front. I can read both comments. Can you?
Sure.
And then I'm using some of my AB, but if you have a different colors, you can do different colors. I think it looks beautiful as well. Or even you have an obsidian crystal, I think it looks great. It just depends on what themes you want. I want just a little bit bling on it. They really have a like party next door now. Oh, they're working. They have fun music. Oh, wait a minute. They should not having a group like party. What are people doing? You see, they'll like get together, a whole group. Weird. Sorry, none of my business, but I'm curious. Cause that. Alright. Because they're not supposed to be gathered together, whole group. Especially it's in pandemic. Like. Alright, can everyone see it from Instagram? Oh my god, now I can see the Instagram in front of me. Ladies, thank you so much for the love and support. Alright. Usually if you do the clients and the clients want all nails, like all 10 nails, I would do 2 thumbs first and do the rest later. I would not doing a thumb and the index together, because when you lay that on the LED light, it might get runny. So, all right, I think, do you see is straight now? Because I don't see on my side. You think, ladies? Looks crooked. It looks crooked. I can't see from different angle. Look better. Alright. Alright, so if you are happy with this, then just cure for 60 seconds, which is I am going to do now. Looks really good. Chantella, no, not yet, it's just second. I think 60 seconds. 60 seconds here, everyone. Chantella, give it probably the chamfer voice. That's what I have it on. It back in the stock right now with all the designs, like 3 sets. If you really like fun designer sets, you should get 3 of them, because they all really go like fast. So and this week we have Chanfafoy designs and everything back in stock, with gel painting is all back in the stock. Gel painting jars, the pot, back in stock now with all the colors. And pigment, I believe it's sometime this week. Please checking back, or we can send you the information, or you can see that we put the notifications on the story times, on the post, so then you can able to check back. Okay, definitely, Chantella just send it to me. So it's nice and it dry, because we put the condensed glue gel and then no white top coat. So that's why it does is feed completely. And what do I do? How's my business come on? I feel like, wait, that something come off. No, nothing come off. So now is, I'm gonna try to finish this now before I move on to after that we're gonna using precision glue. This precision glue, I am going to seal it between, I'm gonna check it really quick first, and right there I'm gonna give it this will help to filling in all the gaps and the cracks, and it prevents from catching on the client's hair. Oh, you know what I feeling it? Somehow is my doesn't stay on because of close to the cuticles, and maybe it doesn't have the condensed glue gel, but no problem. That's what this one is coming for. I'm gonna squeeze just a little bit right here, because I found that one of my beads is like wasn't that here because there's no condensed glue gel there. And I'm just putting on because I just squeeze in a little bit of precision glue. And I'm gonna using my twin tip brush, and can you wipe that off please? I feel like Facebook is so small. Can you zoom it in for Facebook to see better?
Yeah, to see it. My phone just smaller.
Huh. Okay, great. So now I'm gonna cure for 60 seconds and it's now done. And if you want to, oh, but before that, if you want to protect, something is really cool. You're gonna just using a top coat. I'm gonna just coat this. You don't have to, but even for us, if we using like start doing a client's nails and with acetone and stuff, I will protect my little, but I don't put it on the top of the crystal, just for your preference. If you want to put on, you don't have to. Like last time I didn't and it stay on really good.